vision in your mind and emphasizing on discipline part. And in competency, there are three types of competency, mostly three types, and mostly two types are used. One is your technical competency, whether or not you are able to fulfill your roles and responsibility in the organization. That is your technical. You are the finance guy. If you don't know balance sheet, if you don't know ratio analysis, if you don't know cash flow, or if you don't know capital budgeting, these are the things in finance. Okay? Then technically you are not.